Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are in your final year of computer science, this video is for you. Let's be honest, getting that first job can be tough, really tough in today's bad market. But the right certification can give your resume a serious edge over other candidates. Today, we'll go through 7 job-oriented certifications that can help you stand out and get hired faster. So let's dive in. Certification number 1, Java certification. If you are into backend development, Java is still usually in demand. You can go for Oracle certified OCA certification, which is the entry level certification. This certification will help you understand object oriented programming concepts, collections, multi-threading, exception handling, and many other things also, which is great for any company, any service based company or any product based company. After Java, we have next certification is on Python certification. Python is everywhere, from data science to automation to web development. So you can try achieving this PCAP certification, which is called Certified Associate in Python Programming, or you can also try Microsoft Python certifications. It shows you are a serious Python developer, and it will help you apply to entry-level development, QA, or scripting jobs. After Python certification, the next certification is cloud certification. These days, no organization wants to manage on-premises infrastructure, and everybody is moving towards cloud. Because of that, cloud skills are in huge demand. So you can start with something like AWS certified cloud practitioner or Google Cloud Digital Leader. They are beginner friendly and introduce you to cloud basics like compute, storage, networking, and security. Cloud knowledge is a bonus for almost every tech role. Now let's go to the fourth certification, basic DevOps certification. So these are not traditional certifications, but platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, or Free Code Camp, they offer Git and GitHub batches. You can also explore basic CI/CD tools like GitHub Actions or Jenkins. These show that you are industry ready and can collaborate on the real world project with the team. Now let's move to the next certification, which is called Cyber Security Basics. As you know, cyber security is booming these days. You can check out Google's cyber security certificate, which is available on Coursera, or you can also explore about Cisco's Cyber Ops Associate certification. Even if you are not going into cyber full time, it's good to know the basics, especially if you are applying for roles like networking, testing, or system administrator. So the next certification is Data Analytics and SQL. For non-coders or those leaning towards the data roles, this certification is pure gold. You can acquire certifications like Google's Data Analytics certificate, SQL for data analysis. Many entry-level jobs in business analysis, support jobs, QA, and fintech jobs, they need these kind of skills. Now, the next but very important certification you can do is soft skills and communication. So this soft skills and communication is often ignored, but it matters a lot in the companies. Since in IT you are supposed to work in international projects and collaborating, like where you have to collaborate with people coming from different background, different nationalities, you are supposed to have excellent communication skills. So you can get certifications in business communication, presentation, and in interview skills from different platforms like LinkedIn, Coursera. They can give you some extra polish to your resume. They help you in interviews, group discussions, and even writing better emails. So basically, to cut the long story short, so if you are in your final year, pick one tech certification based on your interest. Let's suppose Java or Python. Then add one cloud or DevOps certification. Then third thing is polish your soft skills. These are very important to get a job in corporate. That combo can seriously boost your chances in campus placements and job applications. All the best for your tech career. See you in the next video.